for the game in 2 days is pretty good. That's good. Bigger is back.
For our team, our project will be entitled Event, which is a web application. This is a concept idea based on the challenge entitled "Picture Worth 1,000 Words." The challenge is asking about how to make a connection between a satellite image with the image on the surface or some event on the surface. So based on that challenge, we brainstorming and came up with an idea to make this web application. This application is actually a web application that acts as a web browser or search engine, but focusing only on searching an image. Two kind of image collection, which is first the image collection taken from the satellites, which take the image from space of the Earth surface, and another one is an image collection of an event that taken from the surface, like from the article news or Google image. Okay, the aim of the project is one of it is to increase the user knowledge and analyze a certain chosen event by letting them use the web application to know certain event or at a specific location. Like for example, what happened in one of the islands in Hawaii for volcanic eruption on certain date time. And then they can use the search of this application, and this application will show the image of the satellite image of the surface of the island location, and also the Earth image on the surface from article news or some Instagram that people get from those images. So this web application will collect all those images in just one spot. Because our team is lacking of certain expertise like coding and programming, we only aim for the concept idea of the software. Web application. Okay, one of the several of the feature suggest of the application is the search will contain all of the image that will be searched into two groups. One from the image collected from the Earth surface, and the second is collected from the satellites. And the application, the second features of the application will make a connection of the image from the surface. Like for example, the news of some hurricane picture taken from a reporter, and then makes that connection with the image from the satellite image of the surface of the Earth at that location. There will be example I will show you later. And also an idea will be also added, which the browser will add some links and to other websites showing some information if the user want more information. Okay, this is the the design idea concept, which is for now there's no background. This is just a simple concept of window of the web page. The search will be there. The user will put any type of keywords, preferable if they type also the date, location, and event, maybe 3 or 2 date, location. For example, let's just, if the user want to know about the Hurricane Katrina, so they can just type Katrina, and the search engine will then, our application will then try to search all the image from collection, one from the surface, for the surface image collection, maybe they search from the example from the news article or Google Map, and the second one is from the satellite image collection. This satellite image collection will search from satellite government web-based sources, and also like I said before, there also will be added some links for additional information for our concept. Okay, now for now we're going to show the example of the two of our team on the web page design. Just wait a moment, slowly. Okay. For example, the user type Katrina, and then the web page will search for the images. As they say, picture says 1,000 words. So it's better just show the picture than put some text so that the user can just see what is actually happening. From the surface, for example, this is taken from the aftermath of the Katrina. This is from the satellite image. We obtained this satellite image from the website called MODIS. There are 2 satellites that we obtained, which is one is the Aquas and another one is Terra, which is down. One is Terra. This is taken from each date, which is from 25 to 30. And this is the hurricane which moving from, it was moving at the Gulf of Mexico. So you can see from the satellite, the hurricane is actually moving. Then the satellite is actually able to capture at this moment. It's available at the website, but this web application just collect it so for the easier of the user to just understand even further, and then make a connection with the image from the surface to see the devastation that happened on the surface. So this is one of these examples that we just able to finish in one example, which is the Katrina. We cannot show other example like the volcano. So, as I mentioned before, another additional features which is to connect the surface image with the satellite image collection, which is if maybe in the future we can make an algorithm to make the web application to try to collect into specific group, like for example in this location at that time of day, the surface at that time will be look what does the image look at the surface at the time. So they already collected on a specific group for the easier of the user. This is the example that I mentioned before, like in Hurricane Katrina, and the second one is volcanic eruption. Another example, at first, this is my idea. If the satellite is powerful enough, maybe it can be used to take an event from the space to see where Malaysian airplane has gone missing, and then maybe on Earth, maybe they can track the surface, but so far the satellite can only see only the far side, cannot see the airplane. So there's just an example that I've been using. Okay, I did for the additional, maybe if this concept of web application will be forward on, it may be collaborate with some of the government satellite website to give their resource of satellite images. And also maybe later on, if the user still wants some information, they didn't understand just looking at the picture, so maybe will be included some text from the news taken from the side of the picture. And also for later interactive, maybe we can also mesh up with Google Map application and other social network to further advance in future web application, our Earth event application. That's all for now. Thank you.
One question I had, if you thought of particular ways of integrating the Earth and satellite images. So right now they're shown side by side. You said, like, identify this picture we're taking here. Did you think of other ways to sort of connect?
So far we only got those ideas, but if there is a preferable or maybe a more better way, maybe we can adapt it and change it into. But at this time, we can only go with that first idea.
Yeah, I saw there's obviously a slide which was talking about how a user would, how a user would use it, but I'm just struggling to see who would use it.
Okay.
The definition of that person.
Okay. This application actually will preferably be used by maybe researcher or some someone who want to know more about astronomy, or basically some user who is just interested to know what actually happening on the Earth from the surface, and see what is look like up in the sky. So basically, if normal user can also be used. This application, maybe if in the future, maybe it can do in present time. So maybe if it's collaborate or mesh up with Google Map, so maybe at this time of day, the user can just look at his location on the map at that time, and if there's available satellite moving on that location, the image already available, so the website can combine it and show. So normal user can use it, not just research. Maybe after the future mesh up with the other tricks.
Question as well. Do you actually do you intend to build your own image database on your as part of your website, or do you think of using external services like maybe some image searching engines and relying on those external services to get the images?
So far we didn't think that far, but maybe we will choose the using the external services instead. This is just our concept ideas at the moment, since we didn't have any more people expertise in at the moment.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.